It's Michelle, and I've received my latest design team packet from European Papercrafts. And again, there are beautiful things in here that I just had to share with you guys. And you'll see me making projects with these very soon. But just in case there's something in here that I don't get around to using, I didn't want you guys to miss out on it. That way you'll be able to go on over to their website, which is 3dcardmaking.com, and be able to get any of this that you want. And it is all so beautiful. And when you get to the checkout on that website, be sure to enter the discount code Craftie, and you'll get 10% off of your total purchase, and I think that is a great deal. Okay, so in my packet, the first thing, of course, that I notice is this Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. It says it dries clear, and I know I have used the Nouveau Crystal Drops, and I can't wait to try this adhesive. And we've got a paper pack and some die cuts. And these are fairy garden themed, and I just love fairy garden themes. I love these little die cuts. There's a little sentiment strip that says thinking of you. A little fairy and a little background image. Another sentiment, just believe, and a beautiful butterfly. And there is another just decorative design element. And look at those beautiful flowers. I love the sort of vintage colors to this set. This is so pretty. And there's a teeny tiny little fairy. That's adorable. Wish upon a star. Never grow up. Every day holds new magic. And a little doily. So precious. Wouldn't that be cute on a scrapbook page of a new baby girl? Perfect moments. Every moment spent with you is just magical. And then our fairy tale. And I really like how the top of this looks like it's been torn from a spiral notebook. This would be really good for junk journaling or planners or scrapbooks. And they match perfectly with the Fairy Garden paper pack. And I'll go through that quickly to show you guys. This one here has sort of a wreath-shaped design to it there. And these are 6.5, I believe. Let me hold that up to my craft mat here. Yeah, they're 6.5 by 6.5. So you could trim these up and use them on different size things. I love that pink floral background. That is so beautiful. And there's a soft minty colored leaf background. I love these background patterns. They're so pretty. And there's a stripe. And there's a glittery paper. That is gorgeous. And fairies on the background also have some glitter on them. If I can get the camera to catch that. That's so pretty. And then a crackled background. And that just looks like multiple stamped images with some scripty designs in the background. And that is sort of a crosshatch pattern. If you can see that, it's very tiny. And then a soft sky sort of blue. This is gorgeous. And that has sort of a gloss on just the flowers. Oh, and the last page is some little pop-out die cut tags. That is going to be a lot of fun. I'm just going to tell you guys now, that's probably the first thing I'm going to do with this pack is some little tags. I think those are so cute. And I'm going to show you guys the first thing that I noticed when I opened this design team packet was these unicorns. Oh my gosh, I love unicorns, and I have loved unicorns for as far back as I can remember, and these just made me so happy. I'm definitely going to be using these, most likely this one first with the blue, purple, and green. I just love that color combination. And they've got some little glittery designs running through the mane of the unicorn and in the flowers. A little bit on the horn as well. I just love these. And this sequin pack, Fairy Garden Sequin Mix. That is gorgeous. That would go with the fairies, and I think it's also going to go really well with my unicorns. And the unicorns are the easy 3D toppers that I love so much. And we've got some more of the 3D toppers. Here is an umbrella with some little flower elements that layer up for dimension on that part, and I think that's gorgeous. And this, I just love. A bicycle with a little flower basket, and of course that's the part that will layer up for dimension on the flower basket, and I can't wait to use that as well. I really hope that I get time to use lots and lots of these products in a video for you guys, because I'm in love with this packet. I just love it. And this card, I think, is so neat. I'm going to have to figure out something to do with that. I love the little window. And then another one in a different shape till you finally get to your focal point here in the center. And I can't wait to figure out something creative to do with that. That's going to be a lot of fun. And we've got some gold holographic sticker corners, and that is going to be a lot of fun. Those would be great for corners, for holding down photos in a scrapbook, or just framing out a card, or I think I may use them on some tags with those beautiful little fairy garden die cuts. That's going to be so pretty. And here we've got a manly paper pack, looks like, or maybe some die cuts. Let's see. And I wish I had gotten this in time to do a Father's Day card, but I do have a masculine birthday coming up for my husband, and maybe I can use some of this masculine stuff in a card for him. And this page looks like it is die cut, so those will pop right out. It say, "Dad, you're the best," a little trophy, a ribbon, number 1. Your number 1 spelled out like a Scrabble game. I think that's so cute. And Mr. Fix-It. If I had gotten this in time, that would have gone really well with my little tool die cuts that I used on my Father's Day card. That's really cute. And those pop out as well. And here are some little pop-out die cut panels that could be used on cards or This here looks like maybe you could do some scrapbook journaling or something along those lines. Little sentiment strips along the side. And they're already pre-die cut for you. You just have to pop those right out. More pop outs. I really like that little newspaper one down there. It looks like World's Best Dad newspaper article. That's cute. And these are small. They would be perfect on little tags. And look, there's a toolbox one. That would have gone so cute with my toolbox card. And then here we have a red stripe. And more of the letter blocks and newspapers. That is really cute. I like the contrast in that with those black letters. And this one here is a map, and this shows places in France. And what I thought would be really cute, not really for a masculine card, but using this map of areas in France, and maybe this bicycle. That would be cute. For some reason this just makes me think of France. And a little argyle pattern, black and blue and white. That's really cute. And a wood grain. This would have gone really good on my Father's Day card too. Lots of good masculine card ideas in there. And some more of the foiled decoupage layering pieces. I love these. If you guys remember, I did an Easter one with some of the foiled layering pieces. And this one is one for baby. I think that is so cute. With the little baby in the bassinet. The baby rattle down here. That is adorable. I keep saying I'm going to do some baby cards, and I have not done it yet. I really need to get around to doing that. And last, we've got some frame pop-out toppers. And I think these are gorgeous. Let me get that out of there to show you guys how those work. And you could cut strips and borders from the edges and use a lot of this background, as well as popping these out. And there's one almost coming out. I'm going to go ahead and pop these out to show you guys. You've got the center part that pops out as a die cut of its own with the scripty background that says shabby chic, trendy, beauty, boutique. Very pretty. And then this one pops out around that as a frame. And you could use that on here. Maybe pop this part up with a little dimension so it stands a little higher than that to give some dimension to the card. Or you could use them separately. You could put a photo inside of here. I think that would be so cute. And then, like I said, you've got all this background paper that you can cut pieces from and strips for the border. So I cannot wait to get started with this packet, especially with those unicorns and fairies. I can't wait to get started on that. So you guys check back soon. Remember, if you do go over to shop European Papercrafts at 3dcardmaking.com, be sure that you enter the discount code Craftie at checkout and you'll get 10% off. So check back soon, and I'll be making some videos with projects using these products for you guys, and I can't wait. I think these are gorgeous. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Crafty Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to everything in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.